Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to care for Molly fish babies. First, set up a small, dedicated nursery tank, ideally 5 to 10 gallons, with gentle filtration to protect the delicate fry. Ensure the water temperature is consistently between 75 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Good water quality is crucial, so perform small, frequent water changes. This initial setup provides a safe and stable environment for your new Molly fry to thrive. Feeding your Molly fry correctly is vital for their development. Offer small meals 3 to 5 times a day, as their tiny stomachs require frequent nourishment. Specialized fry food like powdered flakes or brine shrimp nauplii are excellent choices. Make sure the food particles are extremely small, less than 1 millimeter, so they can easily consume them. Avoid overfeeding, which can quickly foul the water and harm the delicate fry. Maintaining pristine water conditions is paramount for Molly fry. A sponge filter is ideal as it provides gentle filtration without strong currents that could harm the tiny fish. Perform small daily water changes of about 10% to remove waste and keep the water fresh. Aim for a stable pH level between 7.0 and 8.0. and ensure ammonia and nitrite levels remain at 0. Consistent water quality prevents stress and disease. As your Molly fry grow, you'll notice their rapid development. They typically reach maturity in about 4 to 6 months, depending on their diet and water quality. It's a good idea to separate larger fry from smaller ones to ensure everyone gets enough food and space. Once they are large enough, they can be introduced to the main tank. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy watching your Molly fish thrive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.